Top 3 Evergreen Niches to Build Your Online Business On. There are many evergreen niches you can build your business on. In today's presentation, you're going to learn about the top 3 niches you need to focus on if you want your online business to flourish for years to come. Number 1. Health niche. People will always look for solutions to their weight problems, height problems, skin problems, and many other health issues. Thin people would look for ways to gain weight, and when they become overweight, they look for ways to lose weight quickly. As the health niche is vast, you can look for a sub-niche where not too many people are offering a solution to a specific problem. Once you find the right sub-niche, you can offer health supplements, health food, healthy recipes, ebooks, videos, exercise videos, and more. Since it's an evergreen niche, people will be buying your product years after you've published or released your product. Number 2. Wealth niche. Just like the health niche, the wealth niche is one of the most popular evergreen niches that you can build a business on. This is because there will always be people who want to know different ways to become wealthy. They want to know how to earn money online, how to grow their $1,000 into $1 million, or how to invest in foreign exchange. As new technologies crop up, new ways of making money are coming up just as fast. Take, for instance, cryptocurrency. It's the hottest money-making machine on the market right now. Though it's highly volatile, people are making huge sums of money off crypto. Thanks to the internet, there are a million different ways one can make money online and offline. Just remember that if you want your business to grow and last for a long time, you'd have to offer something of real value to your audience. A get-rich-quick scam can quickly destroy your reputation and your business. Number 3. Love niche. Relationships matter a lot to people. It's just how we humans are. We crave companionship, friendship, love, and contact with other people. You can capitalize on this by offering advice to your audience, be it dating advice, marriage advice, friendship advice, and so much more. You can even sell physical products if that's your thing. If you've got the programming skills and the budget, you can create a dating app or a dating website and get locals and maybe even people from abroad together.